It's just the fact that I'm on ice right now tweaking. Yeah. But, you know, new experiences. That's what I'm here for.
Don't love me, can hurt me.
Bring everything. Oh.
What you're doing can hurt me.
Oh, no.
What you're doing,
Yeah, you said
love me, can hurt me.
you're living off the grid.
What you're doing can hurt me.
Thank you, bruv.
Warm.
It is. Only thing that's not is my hands, but you got gloves for that if I need them.
I get it.
This is crazy. This is actually crazy. There's no way. We just got to Ely, Nevada. And yeah, this is the first time ice fishing. First time fishing in general, actually. And I can tell it's about to be, one, interesting, two, completely different, like a different experience. You said, trust
Bro,
me.
I am so prepared this year.
Yeah?
Do I need
These
gloves?
used to be. Oh,
Yeah?
yeah.
All right.
Oh, just bring it just in case.
Bring everything? Yeah. Okay. Those are hard. Huh? Absolutely. All right. Okay. All right. Just in case. Yo. He said, I know y'all got a little bit of a tan, but here's some sunscreen. No más, por favor. He said what?
Like, we might need snacks.
Might need snacks. I can bring that cooler. He said to the dome piece. You got the shiesty? You gotta have the shiesty. This is my first time doing something like this, which is dope. I mean, vlogging, like a full experience as well as ice fishing. So I'm about to show y'all the entire thing. It should be dope. Look at these. He got people. They just set up a whole tent right there. We're set up right here, right there. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. I know it's gonna be dope. It's just a different experience, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. My boy Juan, who invited me, is already he already got his sweatshirt off. We're on the ice. I'm on ice right now. I'm genuinely on ice right now. Like, this is ice. And you can hear it. You can hear it cracking, and you can hear like weird noises, but they say it's just because the sun's out. It's just the ice expanding and contracting, and it's normal. Oh, these boys got here and got to it.
So if you can feel it, it'll crack. Like you'll feel it on your feet, dude.
You'll feel it crack?
Yeah,
for real?
You feel like the popping under your feet.
That sound.
It's weird, right?
Like that right there? Yeah. How thick is this?
It's like right here, dude. What do you think that is?
Oh, wait. This is it from
Yeah.
the top to there?
Yeah.
You say you wouldn't go thinner than this?
Yeah. I'd say this is about
This is about as thin as, oh man. Okay. This is good to know.
That's what you can name your documentary, dude.
On ice. Thin ice. Yo. Adventures with white people.
This is white people shit. White people shit.
Juan, how do I...
Set the thing up.
Got that new pole. He drilling holes. I want to see if I can get it for y'all. What's this machine called?
What's that?
What's that machine called?
That's called an auger.
An auger. An ice auger.
Right.
That was the big red one?
Goes forward.
Yeah, okay.
So now oh, you don't have line.
Nah, I almost stepped in that. It's hectic out here. It's a little hectic, a little treacherous. But we here. Oh, almost bust my... yo, Juan, my things aren't... My Shoes aren't catching. I just
Only when it gets loose.
I pull when it pulls, and when it comes to me, that's when I, right? So you say this little rod can catch a 30-pound fish.
Yeah.
That's insane to me. Because I feel like these things are so flimsy, but they're not.
Well, he's going to have the hook in his mouth, and he's going to be
Oh, he's
swimming
going to just
away.
swim. Okay, I got you.
All right, so...
It's too tight?
No, light.
Light, it's too light. And that's the thing you were talking
That's
about.
the drag. So
The
go ahead and
drag,
reel it up
okay.
a little bit. Right, so that's
So you
too
want it
tight.
like
You don't want...
too tight, but you want it like a little resistance.
Yeah, so then
You have a measure.
this is 10-pound line, so we want to set it at about 2 pounds. Reel it up. All right. A little bit more. Reel it up.
So you said this process is called rigging?
Rigging.
Rigging, okay. There's so much snow on this compared to yesterday.
Start reel it in.
Reel it in?
Oh, I don't think it's there no more.
It might be.
Nah.
Keep reeling it.
Oh, I fucking felt that. Yeah, my heart stopped, bro. What's up?
I bought so many socks, but we left our stuff at home. I mean, in the room.
In the room? Bro, I got like 30 pairs of socks. It's been a cold day. Extremely cold, but it's been cool. It's been cool. It's way colder than it was yesterday. Cause the overcast, there's no sun in the sky right now. And it's making the weather a little bit more extreme, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's 11:14. I'm out here living off the grid right now. Zero reception. Huh?
Not a bad day, huh?
Hey, not a bad day. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
You doing good?
Oh, yeah, man.
My man.
Catching a few. I know you guys are over there.
Yeah, I still haven't caught one yet, but it's my first time, so.
What is it?
Yeah. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony? I'm Paul.
Huh?
Paul.
Paul?
Paul.
All right, Paul.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
tomorrow, man.
My man.
All right.
Have a good one. Some good folks. But yeah, we've been out here for probably like 3 hours. And I think we'll be here for another, 5. So I got time to catch a fish. I haven't caught one yet. Everybody caught one but me. But I'm cool because it's my first time. They're veterans. I'm gonna get back in it. I'm sure eventually I'll catch one, but if not, I'm not tweaking. But we'll see. We'll see. I had a nibble.
But you had your first fish.
I got 2, bro. Why you trying to
You got 2?
Bro, yo, you were right here.
2?
Yes,
Yeah, 2.
you praying on my downfall, bro. I caught 2 today.
Damn.
They can vouch for me,
You pulled.
bro. They can vouch for me, bro. You were right here. You did take a picture of the second one, I think. But yeah, I'm trying to get one on camera. If not, whatever. This is a game of patience. Come on, there we go. My thing's, it's not tight enough. Damn, it's not tight enough. It's not tight enough. Like I can't. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get your ass out of there. Come on. Come on! Let's go. What is this?
Largemouth bass.
Largemouth bass.
Badass.
Oh. Oh. I'm putting it back though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, shit.
Spike not that flat size.
This up?
Yeah.
Let me help you, Pa.
Go.
Yeah. There you go.
Shit, bro.
Yeah. The nastiest part about like the fishing, this whole fishing experience, is grabbing it to take the hook out, because like I didn't realize how hard it is, you know, because it's all muscle. So I didn't realize how hard it is, and then when it moves, it's a creepy feeling, bro. But catching the fish is dope. Like, it's a dope experience. Yeah, that's the weirdest part about it, I guess. Not weird, but just not gross. It's just nasty. It just felt nasty. You got the dog with the shoes on. The dog got the shoes on. As soon as we started moving, my feet warmed up. Yeah. I'm about to set up shop right here and make a name for myself. No peer pressure here.
Nope. Think more for me if you don't.
Shmoo. Oh, that was a big crap. Oh, whoa, whoa.
You're all right.
No, no, that scared the hell out of me.
The first
Oh
time I
my
stepped
God.
down here and it did that, I had the same reaction.
Oh, my heart just dropped. I am so happy I came here, and I'm so happy that, like, I'm grateful for opportunities is what I'm trying to say. And I'm happy this came up. I'm happy I said yeah. He told me about this. We talked about this a year ago. He was like, or I was like, yo, next time you go, let me know, because I'm coming. I'm down. And you know, people say, oh yeah, I'm going to do this, that, and the third, and then they never do. Or they just don't. But he was like, yo, bro, like, I thought you were BSing. Because usually people say, yeah, I'm going to come, but they don't. And I stuck to my word. I try and keep my word. Word is bond. I try to keep my word as much as possible. Things happen sometimes. Life happens. You got to understand that. Things fall through. But nah, a year ago he told me about this, and a year later, we're here. Don't say no to opportunities. It's been a cool time. This is the last day. We head back tomorrow. Just gonna enjoy the rest of the time on the ice and head back, get something to eat, and kick it tonight. And then back at it, or not back at it, back to Vegas tomorrow. Came out here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so 3 days out here. We leave tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. And man, this was something different. It was something completely different. Would I do it again? 100%. Am I gonna do it again? 100%. Definitely one of my favorite videos to shoot, edit, and everything. It was just a fun time. Did you just take that?
Yeah.
You just took that? Yeah. No way. That's a good photograph, bro.
It is.
Like, that's an insane photograph. I'm gonna close this video out. Shouts out to you, Juan. Thank you for inviting me a year ago. We made it happen. My mans, I appreciate you for real. For real. We had a blast out here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Call somebody, tell them you love them. And you know how it is. Be easy, not too easy. And work smart, not hard. It's more efficient. For surely.
Scratch those things off your bucket list.
Oh, scratch those things off your bucket list. This wasn't on my bucket list, but then it was, and now it's scratched off. So this is definitely something scratched off my bucket list. Hey, yeah, scratch something off your bucket list. Scratch something off your bucket list. For surely. That's good. I like that, bro. I like that.